Hello everybody, today I'm gonna solve kioptrix from Hub. So let's log in. So this is our VM login screen. So in this challenge, in this city of challenge, we have to acquire a root access to this machine. So we have to get root access. In order to get that, we are using net discover. So let's first see the IP address. Net discover. Here I have only one VM, so my another VM IP address would be 192.168.1.9. let's use nmap -a -t4 -t4 192.168.9. So after the completion of this nmap scan, we are going to look further. Here we have got our nmap scan. So if we look at port 80, then so I'm gonna explore through SMB. So it's gonna be 139 net BIOS, and this is what I'm going to exploit through this. If you want to exploit further, you can do it on your own. You can exploit it. So let's use enum for Linux, and let's use help. Let's see, it's let's use enum for Linux -a, and let's write our IP address 192.168.1.9. okay, known user, administrator, guest, and blah blah blah. And we have our group, that is my group, and we got our session. It's going on. Okay, here we haven't got much lead. So if we were to able to find the version of what version of Samba is running on that VM, then we can use source exploit to source exploit, and we can gain a root access. So let's begin it. Let's fire up MSF console. Don't worry about the error, we just need a scanner. Then we can use auxiliary SMB. Let me see, we can just use source SMB. Let's see what's in it. Auxiliary, yep, use auxiliary, then scanner, then SMB, then SMB. let's see its option, SMB2, and so option. I tried with SMB1, so it's not SMB1, it's running on SMB2. So let's use our host as 192.168.1.9. 9 and use run. Okay, we have our okay here I have to define wait SMB version. We need to use SMB version. Sorry, let's try that again. Back, use auxiliary scanner, then SMB version, then show option, and set our host as 192.168.1.9 and use run. Okay, we have got SMB version that is 2.21.8. so let's open up our Firefox and use search exploit, paste and go. I guess let's see exploit exploit, and that would be SMB 2.1. so we have our Samba version 2.1. okay, let's see this one, and another would be, let's see this one also, and let's see there. Okay, we have got our exploit. We can use this exploit. So in order to download this, just instead of exploit write download. I guess that would download this file. Yes, and save it, and it's yes, let me see this, it's running. So the next step would be definitely use that exploit, back exit, then clear up cd download, then use ls, then use gcc. That gcc is used to compile a c file. So let's see, we have got our a.out, then use this, then we have to define here, that would be a.out and c. that should be our connection back IP. That means that this dash small c means we have to define our IP address. That means we are getting our connection back, so it's vertically, and use IP /a. okay IP a. Here is my IP address, same as this, and step then after I guess we don't need much, so that would be, and let's define step. Capital B would be, let's assume that be like 40, and use our IP, use our target IP, that would be 192.168.1.9. hit enter. Okay, oh yes, first I haven't choose the platform here. We have to define platform, that would be dash. Our platform is Linux, so we are using 0, and hit enter. And now we have got our root access. Thank you.